Hey, Steve here. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light on a 2019 Honda Passport Touring. So a lot like most of the other videos, we'll hit the button twice. Doesn't need to be running, we're just going to hit it twice just to turn everything on. We're going to go over to the main screen here. We're going to go into settings. From here we're going to scroll down. Oh, we don't need to scroll down, it's right here. We're going to go into vehicle. This one we're going to scroll down through all the other options, get into maintenance information. I don't know why that came up. We got to get into maintenance information. So this is what it's asking for. It has the oil life at 80%, which is pretty good. A lot of oil life left on this. And then the all-wheel drive oil, or the rear differential oil, that's going to come up when this reaches closer to 15% or 0. Now if we want to reset it, if we want to reset everything, we can set reset all, and that'll do everything. Or we can reset just the all-wheel drive oil. And today we're going to be doing both of these things anyway, so we're just going to reset all, hit reset, done. Then it just shows you what's it's expecting to come up next. It's just the engine oil, and that's it. You're all set. You can just hit the home button, back to that screen. You can drive away, you can turn the vehicle off, whatever you want. It's all set to go. So thanks for watching, and hit like and subscribe if you want to see more of these maintenance minder reset videos and little Honda tidbits.